Guys, my job is to, at least I take it upon myself, to teach you guys the importance of looking ahead. I beat that over the head every time I get a moment. This is why we're in crypto. This is why you have to be in crypto. This is the importance of following the breadcrumbs to wealth. Every now and then, the wealthy, and when I say wealthy, I mean the powers that be, the hundreds of millions of dollars that these global entities have, or these billionaires out there, every now and then they'll drop a few breadcrumbs that, if you know what to look for and you look at them correctly and you dissect the pieces of them breadcrumbs, regardless how minuscule they are, you will understand how they stay in power, how they make the money that they make. Okay? Which brings me back to cryptocurrency. I'm more than aware that everyone that views this channel is not on the crypto train yet. Although I don't understand that, I have taken it upon myself to make a case for crypto to each and every one of you. Why? Now, me, personally, I'm into crypto. I'm into gold and silver and other assets that are going to be a hedge against things like inflation, and they're going to set me and my family up for long-term success. And I want to ultimately grow that long-term wealth. Saying that, crypto is a big part of that, namely Bitcoin. And you know how it goes. If Bitcoin is accepted, so is all of the entire crypto market. Maybe not everything, but the large majority, those in the top 100, those top 10, things of that nature, top 20, 30. You get where I'm going with that. But I also believe that when the billionaires speak, we should listen. We should listen really well. And you need to know what you're listening for, and then figure out how you can get in on it, because it's how they made their money after all. I have something I'm about to share with you guys that BlackRock said. I believe it's Larry Fink. Something they said recently that came out today that a lot of people is going to gloss over. But here on Grow Rich, Grow Happy, we don't do that. I scour the crypto news, political news, everywhere, and I connect those dots for you, because I want you all to share in the piece of this pie that's namely crypto, and get something out of it for you before everybody is forced to anyway, and you're just left back with everyone else. All of this is something that you guys like. By all means, hit that like button, smash it. Matter of fact, just smash it, hit it 2 or 3 times. But stick around. We're about to jump over here. I'm going to tell you what BlackRock said. Pay attention to this, guys. Okay, BlackRock, I don't even need to tell you who they are. You know now. If you don't, just do a Google search. BlackRock, Bitcoin unique diversifier against geopolitical and monetary risk. Guys, this is probably one of the most important videos you listen to. If you don't listen to any more of my videos, listen to this video, guys. Especially those out there that are still on the fence when it comes to cryptocurrency. Listen to this. BlackRock sees Bitcoin as a unique hedge against geopolitical and monetary risk due to its scarcity, decentralized nature, and low correlation with traditional assets. However, the report also acknowledges Bitcoin's volatility and regulatory uncertainties. Pay attention to this, guys. This is so important, guys. Stick around. Okay. In a new white paper from September 17th titled Bitcoin, a unique diversifier, investment giant BlackRock delves into the potential of Bitcoin as a hedge against geopolitical and monetary risk. And they say who was authored by authored by Robert Mitchnick, Russell Brownback, and Samara Cohen. The report challenges traditional finance frameworks and highlights Bitcoin's distinctive characteristics. See, and that's what I'm trying to get through the Grow Rich, Grow Happy community. And a lot of you, I'm not talking to those of you who are in crypto and those of you that understand your mindset is set and you understand what's going on. I'm trying to get through those that are still so handcuffed to the dollar that they can't see any other change in finance disrupting things. Those are the ones that this is for. And it's for those of you too that already know the important part that cryptocurrency Bitcoin is going to play in economics. Okay, they say Bitcoin's unique diversification potential. According to BlackRock analysts, Bitcoin's unique nature makes it unsuitable for the risk on or risk off asset categorization. The report emphasizes that Bitcoin's long term return drivers are fundamentally uncorrelated with other portfolio returns. Despite its volatility and occasional short term correlated movements with equities, the white paper states. Now, here it is here. Listen to this, guys. While Bitcoin has been volatile and has seen short episodes of correlated movement with equities, Bitcoin's long-term correlation to equities and bonds has been low, and its long-term historical returns have been vastly higher than all major asset classes. This is what I'm telling you guys, crypto. All right, and this is so. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys something. The difference between the dollar and cryptocurrency for those of you that are still on the fence. But before I get to that, I want to read this. BlackRock attributes Bitcoin's potential diversification benefits to its scarcity, decentralized nature, and global accessibility. The report notes that Bitcoin's hard-coded supply cap and its ability to be transported worldwide at near zero cost differentiates it from traditional currencies. Now, guys, look at this. Look at this. What they got. What makes Bitcoin relevant? This is right here. Pay attention. And they're going to talk about they're basically comparing it to money, regular money. Persistent historical challenges around money. These are the problems with regular money. Number one, prone to inflation and debasement given a non-fixed supply, meaning they can just print money. What Bitcoin made possible, a fixed maximum supply of 21 million units, with supply growth declining every 4 years. Number two, difficult to transact across borders. Bitcoin, digitally native and borderless, permitting near instantaneous global transfers of value. Money does not stand a chance, guys. Number three, access limited to one's particular country or controlled by central authority. This is why you can't go over in some countries and spend the dollar without converting it, and it's just ridiculous. Whereas you have with Bitcoin, first truly open access global monetary system. Guys, the proof is right here. Now, check this out. Balancing the risk and benefits. However, the report also acknowledges the risk associated with Bitcoin, including its volatility, regulatory challenges, and the uncertainty surrounding its adoption as a global payment asset. Despite these risks, BlackRock argues that Bitcoin's unique properties can provide a valuable diversification benefit for investors. Now, it says, while Bitcoin has shown instances of short-term correlated movements with equities and other risk assets, over the long term, its fundamental drivers in many cases inverted versus most traditional investment assets, the report said. Now I want to come down here real quick and I want to show you guys something. All right, well, I'll go here. Here we go. As the global investment community grapples with rising geopolitical tensions, just look around, read the news events, concerns over the state of U.S. debt and deficits, and increased political instability around the world, Bitcoin may be seen as an increasingly unique diversifier against these fiscal, monetary, and geopolitical risk factors investors may face elsewhere in their portfolios. Now, and then it talks about here how IBIT, and this is their fund for BlackRock. They say their inflows slow down despite strong overall performance. Now, BlackRock's flagship Bitcoin's exchange traded fund ETF, IBIT, has experienced a significant slowdown in inflows over the past 2 weeks. According to data from Farside Investors, the fund recorded zero inflows for most of the days between September 10th and September 13th, while the fund did see some inflows during this period, totaling 15.8 million on September 16th and experiencing outflows of 9.1 million on September 9th. These were relatively minor compared to the overall performance. So, guys, it says it right there. Crypto is the saver. It's just crypto is gonna be here, and it's only a matter of time before it's globally adopted. And a lot of people in this community as well that may be still on the fence, you're going to be just sitting on the sideline saying, what if I would have taken a chance and maybe bought a little crypto? I don't have to invest 80% of my portfolio or my life savings to it. But what if I would have invested maybe 15%, allocated just 15% of my overall portfolio to maybe some cryptocurrency? I don't have to go crazy, but like all the other maniacs and psychopaths, like some of us in this community. But you have to, if you truly want to live a comfortable life, that comfortable life that a lot of you are working toward. Wouldn't it be better if you just, I mean, allocated just a little bit? BlackRock, listen to what they're saying here. These are the same people like 3-4 years ago said, oh, stay away from crypto. Even they changed their mind. Even they. And now they're really pushing it like, guys, this is, I mean, they're snatching it up. They're trying to own every bit of Bitcoin that they can. And it's not just BlackRock, JP Morgan, all of these guys are out here. They're all trying to grab it. Not only that, overseas, you name it. The race is to see who can hold the most Bitcoin. Who can hold the most Bitcoin? But then now you got to think about the other crypto that's coming with it. Got to realize the difference. Crypto, for all intents and purposes, those really great projects, they have a hard cap, unlike the dollar. More can't be printed. At least the really, really great projects like Casper, there's, it's only a set amount that will ever be. I believe it's like 28 billion, 28 billion, somewhere around there. Or we just talked about Potenza Tau that has the same scarcity as Bitcoin with 21 million. That's all would ever be. There would never be any more. So when you're looking at projects, when you look at ICP, how they're locking up, these people are locking them up like myself, taking them out of circulation, which takes the value up. I could go on and on with them. Ethereum, I could go on and on. But crypto is something that if you're on the fence, it might be time to climb down and say, what if I'm wrong? It wouldn't hurt to allocate a little bit into it. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I just want what's best for everyone in this community, and I'm just sharing to you my thoughts and my opinions. Do with it what you must or what you choose. But I side on the side of technology and crypto as something that, if you look at what they're saying, it could possibly be the answer to the deficit. You guys let me know down below what you think. I'm out.